Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix the Roblox error that says this experience is not accessible because it is unrated. If you've ever seen this message, don't worry, it's not a bug in your account. There are a couple of simple solutions we can try. So why does this happen? Recently, Roblox updated their system and now every game or experience needs to have a rating. If the developer hasn't set a rating, Roblox automatically assigns it a 13 plus age restriction. This means your account must be at least 13 years old to access it. The first step is to check your account information. Log into your Roblox profile, click on the settings icon in the top right corner, and open settings. Make sure your email and phone number are verified. Then scroll down to your birthday. If you accidentally set your age to under 13, that's likely why you can't enter the experience. If you can, click the change birthday button and update your age. This might instantly fix the problem. If you're unable to change your birthday, don't panic. You can simply create a second Roblox account with the correct age. Once you're logged in, you should have access to the game. Sometimes this error happens due to a temporary Roblox glitch. If that's the case, the solution is easy. Just wait a few hours or a day and try again. Most of the time, the game will be accessible without any extra steps. And that's it. Following these steps should get you back into your favorite Roblox experiences in no time. If this helped you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.